Hey guys, this is RetroMotion from Motion and Itzmotion. Say hi.
Stop.
Hi. So, yep. Today we are back on the Motion server, and today I suck at parkour, as you can see. So we've done a couple of changes to a place. I mean, you can see this boat over here, and I think that is the far one. I don't want to be using that. That's basically like a world edit tool. But so basically we've built this ship off video. So nothing in it, but you know, I helped a little bit, you know, power welded it. So
Yep.
basically we're in the process of building this big tower. So oh, I also did this as well. I decided to change this round bit to red nether brick because I thought it looked quite nice. So yeah,
Which it does.
yeah, it looks decent. So oh, thank you for that input. So yeah, today we haven't got really a clear goal in mind except for already building this tower. I mean, have we got anything in mind of what we're gonna have in the tower? We're just gonna have like a beacon at the bottom or something like that, and just have like a glass thing in the middle.
It could be the town hall or something, like where
Yeah.
players can go.
I think it should be like a.
or
Wait, this could be like the admin house, like all the op house. So like
Yeah.
the top floors, like you have each floor's like a members, like an ops room, and then I have like the top floor obviously because I'm the admin. But yeah, admin. Ah,
admin
so
tower.
no one's joining at the moment, but I'm actually invisible right now. He can't see me. Can you? Oh wait, you can. Can't you? Because you're an op. Yeah. What about?
Yeah, I can
wait,
see your
what
head.
about? What about now? Can you see me now?
Still see
No, fudge.
your head.
I had to say fudge because I need to keep this PG rated. Kids might be watching this. We already had 6 views on the last video, so you know, can't be too. Everything's going dark. It's you'll know what I mean. Is it my night vision? What? Maybe if I just. Now what was the command? It's motion. Nope. Alright. Anyway, I'm just doing this, so actually let's just alright, stone bricks. Let's get these cheeky stone bricks out. Where the hell are the stone bricks? Oh, I found them.
Just right click.
I found them.
Middle click. Alright.
What do you mean middle click?
Yeah, middle click. It picks up the block.
Yeah.
The middle button, like the
I
scroll.
see. Yeah, I know what it is, but what does it do?
It picks up the blocks that you're pointing at.
Ah. Does it? Hang on. I gotta try this. Q. Oh my god. That is probably the most amazing thing I've ever learned in Minecraft right now. Well, maybe not the most amazing thing, but you know. How about you do the walls, I'll do the floor. And I'm gonna use my new power to do it. Wait, I'm not a peasant. I can do this. Ah! No, what is this?
You don't.
Oh, I'm just getting a thing from Mega saying I've hit my bandwidth. Okay, that's fine.
That's probably nothing.
Alright, anyway. Oh, okay. You help me there. Okay, now let's we have to get in dirty the old-fashioned way. Oh, yeah. If you see me if you see me press, if you see me press the wrong thing, it's because you know I'm used to playing console, so you know. No. So yeah.
You must comment if you want to see us do a survival series.
Yeah, leave a comment what you want us to do next, because it might be that you find the server extremely boring. I mean, we're going to do it anyway, because screw you guys. I'm joking. Obviously, we do the video for the fans, you know what I mean? So, yeah, we will consider doing another series as well, you know. Heck, maybe other games if you want us to branch into that.
Yeah.
So, yeah. Alright, I'm going to get started on the, gonna help you with the, thing now.
And if you don't see us using World Edit, it's because we're not that good at it yet.
Yeah, well, you know, I'd say I'm pretty, good at
Well,
it, you know,
we're
I'm
okay
pretty
with
genius.
it.
I'm joking. Anyway, I know I'm crap at it. But, yeah. Yeah, I mean, because I'm used to playing consoles, so, you know. So,
Yeah,
so
now
this is
with the
kind
new
of,
PC.
I used to play PC Minecraft before I did it, but, you know, it's all getting back to basics already, isn't it?
Yeah. You're a bit rusty.
Yeah.
That's all it is.
Yep. Bit rusty in my skills. Soon I'll be a pro player before you know it.
Nice.
Nice. Do we need to break this bit down here? Or we can have like an archway kind of thing, like...
Yeah.
Alright, we'll have to have... Let's get this a bit taller. I think I know how to do this, however. Already. So I'm just gonna... So, don't bother doing any more building here on this bit area, because I'm about to help you. What's the ID for... could you just look up the ID for stone bricks? Actually, I think I know it. But, yeah.
Nice.
Yeah.
Yeah, also, like, comment on what we should change or do on the
Yeah.
server.
Like, if you want us to add something, well, give us a suggestion, and we will try and give it a go. Like I said, we might not always, you know, take the suggestion, but, you know, but in the rare case that we do, you know. So, actually, I think we should take this bit here down. So if I have it like this, so something like this. Ah, I was doing something.
Oh, sorry.
Actually, wait, never mind. Yep, that's good. So if you can get started on that, I'll work on, you know, floors and stuff.
Okay, what's the code for the stone?
It's just stone underscore bricks.
Alright.
Alright, I'm going to set the next floor. Bloody rain. Could you toggle down full, please? That is not what I wanted.
What have you done?
There you go. Whoa! Not what I wanted.
Super not what we wanted.
What I wanted was hopefully it'll work now. Hey! And then, because this will probably be a wall. Right here. I think it should be a big glass window, this bit here, which you're doing here.
Yeah.
I mean, I say glass window, but what other kinds of windows are there, you know? So we can do glass panes,
Yeah.
or... Are we going to do glass panes, or normal glass?
Let's do just normal glass.
Or any stained glass or anything like that?
Try black.
Black, alright.
Modern look, I guess.
Yeah, true. Alright. Does this look alright?
Yeah, it doesn't look too bad.
Alright, if you could help me with that, just middle mouse button that stuff, and then help me with that. And...
I'll start the other side.
Alright, don't do... actually, wait, yeah, do all of it. Wait, remember, no, we want it to be this bit exactly identical.
Yeah.
So we need to have this, like...
Sorry, we're not speaking a lot.
Yeah, I do this when I'm concentrating.
Yeah. How was your day? Be interesting then?
Oh, it's been alright, yeah, just, yeah, been out, so, yeah.
That's good.
Bit of an eventful day. Well, not too
Yeah.
eventful, but, you know. You know, quite
Sadly,
eventful. I
you
had
didn't
cheese
get the
sandwiches.
serve out.
Yeah, I had cheese sandwiches, so, oh yeah, all you guys that are watching, as far as I'm aware, I'm just gonna see where I'm going back onto this so I know where I'm pointing. But the, I'm doing this again. VIP, no it's not there. I'm just gonna move this up a bit. There you go. Right there. I'm gonna move it out of the way. I'll have it up at the end, because, you know, you don't want it right anyway, do you? So, yeah. Otherwise, it's like one of those annoying pop-up advertisements, you know, like you get when you're trying to like play a game. All of a sudden, boom, no way. You just have to sit there and watch it. Like that's like the worst. We need some lights in there. No, just wait a sec. We need a way to. I'll do the. There you go. Yeah, if you could put some lights up or something like that, that'd be amazing. Wow, you couldn't do it the normal way, could you?
No.
Alright, this room, I think this room will be, like this area, like the circular area, will be a bit bigger. This will be a bit taller, like a taller roof. Whilst this will actually be a, like this area will be this will be a separate room. We'll probably have like a ladder or some stairs or something. And then this will be like a bit taller or something. Oh no, I just thought of like the best thing. This area could have like a spiral wooden staircase going up to the top. But like a really posh like staircase. Alright, I'm just gonna edit myself a room. Okay. Good. If we didn't have world edit, what would he do? You know?
No one knows.
Exactly. Alright. So that's now a box kind of thing. This needs to be a bit more. My back.
No.
That actually quite hurts. Alright. Gonna have some corner glowstone. Because that's just not really bright enough.
Yeah.
Yeah, this could be like a. This area could be like seats because it's like a town hall kind of thing.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's looking good so far.
That's good.
I was thinking of like when this is like at its fullest height, it should have like a giant like T and an M for Team Motion on it.
Maybe.
I think it would work well. So yeah, once again, sorry for not really talking. You know.
Yeah.
So I bet people are going to comment on this saying, "Oh, this is really boring" or something like that. But you know, it's a Sunday. We're tired. You know, concentrating.
Yeah, school tomorrow and work. For some.
For some. For us, though, it's still school. We're trying to smash our GCSEs.
Yeah.
Trust me, not an easy thing. I think we're brave enough for actually considering to do YouTube. You know, whilst in our current situation.
Yeah.
With GCSEs. Yeah. Oh, because I'm a lazy son of a bee.
I wonder what we're gonna do tomorrow.
Dunno.
Oh yeah, just to let everyone know, we should be putting a video out like every week.
Yeah, at least one every week. At least.
Yeah.
At least. We might do one maybe twice a week, maybe more.
Maybe.
Who knows? It's kind of, we're not really on a schedule, are we?
Not yet, at least.
Well, not yet. Maybe one day, you know, if we ever become a thing on YouTube.
Yeah.
I mean, you know, the chances are quite low, but, you know, maybe one day if we do, and we gain popularity, who knows? Maybe one day we'll be out there with all the other guys, you know? God, that sounds so weird when I say that.
Yeah.
Hey, you meant to say, oh, no, mate, no, you're not weird. No, not at all. Great friend you are. Anyway. This is going to need like a...
Whoa, this room is getting really dark.
I don't know. Alright, if I could find the center of this room. This is built right on water. Actually, wait. Actually, I have an idea. Alright, we've got a... Actually, an M would work. Instead of T for team, it should be M for motion. Whoa!
Oh, jeez.
I would use a drain command, but I've had bad experience with that command.
Yeah.
Actually, I might as well show you guys. This is what happens when I'm allowed to use the drain command. Yeah. Anyway. Now let's see if I can do a nice M out of Alright, let's see. I do not know how to do it. If you could make like a hole in this floor facing the entrance, if you could do an M, that would be amazing. Oh, I see a fountain. Fair enough. How long's it been recording? About 20 minutes. Alright, well, as you can see, fountain complete. Hip hip hooray. So, basically, at one point it's gonna be an area where you can stand and do announcements with everyone. We're gonna have seats here. In the next video, we will be doing I'll probably hopefully put in a huge light here, covered in carpet. Hopefully, be a big M. Hopefully up here, it's gonna be tall enough. Gonna add a big sign saying TM for Team Motion, obviously. So yeah, everyone, thank you for bearing through this, going through the second episode of our series. Hopefully, many more will be to come. And there is a flame that is extinguished over here. I will sort out in the next episode. So, yep. So yeah, I am going to put the thing up. Okay. So yeah. Here you go. Let me just put it so you can see it better. Alright, anyone who's watching this now knows how much of an idiot I am. Alright, so yeah. This is the thing up here. Pause the video now if you want to put it in and join. Maybe maybe it'll be online. Maybe we will be here. Maybe you'll be in one of our videos. So yeah.
Yeah.
Thank you for watching.
Please like, comment.
Please like, comment, and subscribe for more content. What am I kidding? We'll put more videos up anyway. So yeah. Cheers. Thanks for being awesome. Goodbye.